Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Sydney Jewell, and today we're going to be looking at all the different activities taking place right here in Knoxville in the month of September. Let's get into it. The Dixie Lee Farmers Market will continue on Saturdays from 9 to 12, as well as the Market Square Farmers Market on Saturdays from 9 to 1. Just in September, I'm going to give you a list of all of the different foods that you have the option to take the class for to learn how to cook. So just in September alone, Knoxville offers sushi, macaroons, bread, surf and turf, hibachi, cocktails, donuts, Thai street food, Mediterranean coastal, scratch-made pasta, Indian food, Southern brunch, Cajun jumbo, Cuban dishes, Paris dishes, Appalachian food, cake decorating, and street tacos. If you are someone that loves being able to learn to cook different things, or maybe just wants to expand your skills, you're going to want to look into the Cutting Edge Classroom Cooking School and all of the different classes that they offer. Paw Patrol Live: A Mighty Adventure will be playing at the Knoxville Civic Coliseum September 9th and 10th at 6 p.m. Tickets are already on sale and can be purchased at the box or online at Ticketmaster. The 2025 Walk to End Alzheimer's will take place this year on September 20th at the Knoxville Zoo at 9 a.m. Held annually in more than 600 communities nationwide, the Alzheimer's Association Walk to End Alzheimer's is the world's largest event to raise awareness and funds for Alzheimer's care, support, and research. This inspiring event calls on participants of all ages and abilities to join the fight against the disease. The International Food Festival will be taking place on September 21st in World's Fair Park. It will span from noon to 8 p.m. with over 25 countries represented and food vendors. There will be performances on stage, bounce houses, face painting, balloon animals, crafts, henna artists, and more, and admission is completely free. Next up, country music superstar Parker McCollum is performing September 25th at Thompson-A-Bowling Arena at 7:30 p.m. Just a little heads up, little side tip. I went to this concert last year. It was amazing, but tickets do sell out fast, so you might want to go ahead and go online and start looking. The Green Thumb Gala will be held on September 28th from 6 to 9 p.m. at the Knoxville Botanical Gardens. The Garden's largest annual fundraiser, Green Thumb Gala, this celebration of the Garden's accomplishments brings together supporters for an evening of music, food, silent, and live auctions. Now let's talk about what I know you all are all here for, the sports. What sports are taking place in Knoxville, and when are the home games? So One Knox Pro Soccer Team has home games on September 26th that will be held at Covenant Health Park, the new park that was built in downtown Knoxville. The Knoxville Smokies have home games on September 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, and 7th. And drumroll please, the University of Tennessee football home games will be September 6th, 13th, and 20th. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and do so. If you're thinking about making that move to Knoxville, go ahead and reach out. It is never too early. Let's go ahead and get that process started. Let's hop on a Zoom and let's figure out how we can make Knoxville, Tennessee your home. Till next time, I can't wait to see you around Knoxville soon.